Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by installing Dr Fone and opening the specific module you need: recover, transfer, or repair. Connect your phone with a quality cable. On Android, enable USB debugging. On iPhone, tap Trust. Once done, make sure the app detects your device and that battery is above 20%. This prevents interruptions and speeds operations, so you can proceed to scanning or backup without wasted cycles. Follow on-screen prompts now to select data types or tool functions. This is the first actionable step toward recovery or maintenance. Once your device is recognized, choose the appropriate scan or tool: quick for recent deletes, deep for comprehensive recovery, repair if you see boot loops or system errors. Start the scan and monitor progress. You can preview photos, messages, or contacts to confirm what you need. Make sure to select only the necessary items to reduce restore time and avoid overriding. If using transfer, pick source and destination and confirm file formats. This middle stage is about precision, so you save time and protect data integrity. You finish by executing the restore or export and watching the progress indicator until it reaches 100%. Do not disconnect mid-process. Once complete, verify that photos open, messages appear, or the system boots normally. This confirms success. If something goes wrong, first retry the operation, then swap cables, use a different USB port, or enable airplane mode to reduce interference. If repair fails, follow prompts to download the correct firmware and repeat. That single troubleshooting tip: change cable/port, solves most errors quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.